We will talk now about channel settings. The first thing to do is to set up your channel for monetization. In the General tab, you want to enter the currency you want to get paid in, usually your country currency or the currency of your bank account. Next in Channel, we will add the country of residence. We can enter the channel keywords, so when people search on YouTube for something, your channel might show up in the search results next to the videos. We will talk about how important keywords are in the YouTube Advanced course. In the Advanced Settings tab, we can preset if our videos are made for kids, so we don't have to select this every time. Or if you have some videos that are made for kids, simply select I want to review this setting for every video. From the Advertisements section, you can disable interest-based ads, since your channel is not monetized yet, so people will only see the videos and no ads. Remember, we said this is a great way to gain subscribers until you are monetized. Moving on to the Upload Default, you might want to skip these, or not depending on your videos. When you upload a video, YouTube will ask you about the title, description, and more for every video. Any words you enter here will show up by default in your upload video window. If, for example, you want to add something like a link to your website, you can put it here so you don't have to type it all the time in every video. Or if you have a keyword that you want to add to all the videos, you can again enter it here. Let me show you how this works really fast. So I enter a few words here, click Save, and then upload a video. You can see that everything I typed in the Upload Default section will show up here. I can of course edit or delete the text anytime. The same goes for the Advanced Settings. These are settings that YouTube will ask you every time you upload a video. Here, you allow automatic chapters, and we will talk about them later on. Set up how the comments should work on your videos, and how many viewers liked your video. In the Permissions tab, you can invite someone to have access to your channel and give them the according permissions. Simply click Invite, add their email, and select the permissions you want to give. You can click the Learn More button if you want more specific information about these permissions. In the Community section, you can add moderators. A moderator is someone you can allow access to your channel to go through and delete comments. A lot of people do it if they're going live and allow a moderator to delete the chat or different comments whilst they're busy creating and doing the live content. If, for example, you have a blocked words list or links for your comments here, you can approve users that might post links or specific words to your comments. In Hidden Users, you can ban users from your channel for whatever reason you want to. We have here live redirects. So basically what this is when you create a live stream, at the end of it, you can redirect users to another channel live stream and vice versa. Once your live stream ends, autoplay will move your viewers to the premiere or live stream of your choice. Click the Learn More button here to see exactly how this works on YouTube. Here, you can block comments from people that are posting these specific words, and of course, you can block links. See you in the next class.